Alright, so it's the next damn day. And we're gonna try and fix the E-fan. Well, we already figured out what was wrong with it.
Wasn't hooked up.
Wasn't hooked up at all, dude.
Would you look at that?
Jeez, eh?
What do you know?
So we got some supplies on Colby's card.
Yep. He's not even here. First video we do on the car, we buy him a car and we got a wrench on. Dude, the lens is so dirty.
You can't tell on camera, don't worry about it.
Should we just wipe it? Don't look at me like that.
Okay, yeah.
What are we talking about?
I don't know. We got all the shit.
Yeah, we got the shit.
Since he's not here, we got him the most disgusting switch.
This huge aircraft. Oh, that's potent
switching. Switch though.
Roger, landing gear on. Coming in for an approach angle.
So if Adam and I know anything, we don't know much, but
we really don't.
We're thinking.
All we know is the Crocs.
So this is the ground wire, just not fucking connected. So we're thinking, if we hook this ground wire up, it's just gonna be constantly going. So that switch is gonna get spliced into the power wire, run into the cabin of the car, on a switch. Colby's still showing up late. What's up?
My watch is working. He's late.
Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because this isn't even our car and we're working on it.
Yeah, we spent a lot of money. Can you see my sack?
Let's go over what's in the trunk. Some paperwork, sunglasses, jumper cables, 2 ratchet straps, some oil, some cleaning shit, no spare tire, some Alteza shit, free wood. Yeah, not too bad. Now that the battery's disconnected for safeties, I'm gonna just see how much wire we need, run into the cabin of the car, hook up the switch, hook it up to the power wire, hook up the ground, and should be fucking ready to go.
Hook up that unit of a switch?
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah. The switch and see.
Okay, so the connectors we bought, they're too small, so we just did some little jank shit for now, but she goes, man.
That? Should I get an outside view?
Let's go up this. Off.
On.
Yeah. Just a minute. Don't fucking worry about it.
Oh, it's on. Fuck.
Yeah. No, your battery's dead. That's what it is. His battery just died.
You killed it, Colby.
Fucking killed it.
We changed the connectors behind this so it's actually properly connected to the switch. Drilled a hole in this. So yeah, she's fucking juicing.
Decent mod.
Mods.
We're gonna shine her up.
We're trying to polish it.
Oh, we're gonna try and polish his car.
Big stages on the advertising there.
Some McGuire's, the good stuff.
They're saying it works pretty well, so.
They're saying? Who's saying it? Who's saying that?
Mr. McGuire.
I don't think you should be selling the product.
Yeah, this is no affiliation with McGuire's whatsoever.
Little dab on there. Yep.
Yeah, let's see. What's fucking step 1? Yeah, did you get a little,
bit.
Yeah, alright.
Like a load's worth.
I think you should get some help. That's not that much.
It's a small load.
You should probably get that checked out.
When you're beating Schmid every day.
Fatality rate's probably just.
When you're beating Schmid every day, you're not.
He's emptying the tank, dude. He's not letting him build up.
Oh, he's already going. Alright, fuck, don't even let us know.
Yeah, he's gonna fire it on the rollers. Just go for it.
I'm gonna do the edge. Do you like?
So he already did the fender. You can see it looks way better, like compared to the door. Like that's night and day. So we got the tape line on the hood, so we can get a little before and after action going on. Yeah, man.
Turn up the bass and let the trunk rattle.
John Pizza.
Yeah.
What time is it?
Yeah.
Didn't try that hard, but you can already see we pulled the tape back
You only had like 10 minutes worth of work
by hand too. So
He's gonna redo it. Better.
With a big polisher. Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, there's the first mods on the E30. Lots more content. Hella shit we're gonna do to it. So you better be subscribed. You know?
Yeah, no doubt.
So then you better like this video too. Like this video if you like the E30, because if people don't like it, we're just gonna fucking sell it again.
That's true. Just get rid of it. Fuck you, Colby.
Recuperate our money.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like this video so we know you guys like this content. Comment what you think we should do to this car. And yeah, just stay tuned for more content. I'll head over to the Moist Boys website if it's up, if this is after August 3rd, which it should be. And pick yourself up some fire merch. Are we bored and want to just put shit on this car? Yes.
Yep, might say so. I'm gonna fucking look for some more vacuum leaks after this.
On your car it is.
No, it is.
That's probably
You already
lots.
had, dude, there's like 4. That's gonna be pretty good. So much room for Hente stickers on this.
Dude, you put at least 30 pounds on.
Dude, you already know our shit's quality, man. You don't gotta press it down that hard. Rip her off.
It did not stick.
Shut up, man.
Pretty massive air bubbles in that.
It's alright. It's Kobe's own fault 530 car. Looks sick.
Hey. Moist Boys mirror visors. Colby wants a pair, so we'll chuck them on for him. It's the wrong side. No. Okay. These are on the site.
August 3rd
moistboys.co.
when it goes live.
Well, this video will probably be live
yeah, who
by
knows?
then. Yeah, so the website will probably be up if this is on August 3rd or after August 3rd. Then the website's live. And yeah, grab yourself a pair of these. Mods. Good performance mod. How many horsepower is this adding?
At least 10.
Yeah. Look at that. Mirror visor installed. Quick and easy mod, dude. 3M tape on the back. Should go toss the other side on.
Yeah, no doubt.
And yeah, keep moving forward.
Right arm.